All right, it's Rich Cowgie here from Mighty House, building in Florida. As you can see, little progress. So the stem wall's in. Last I showed you was the footings were poured. So the footings are down there at grade. 4 courses of block or 5 courses of block for our stem wall. And you remember the rebar was stuck into the footing, which now continues up through the 5 courses of block. And then we tie rebar to that. So now when this gets poured, this will all get, that's why we say it's continuous. So it's basically a cast concrete building with block for forms. So you can see the piles that are sticking up, those are closer to the finished floor line. So the next step for us is to actually waterproof the inside of the stem wall so that we don't get efflorescence on the stucco on the outside if there's trapped moisture. And if you look way off in the distance there, I'll see if I can zoom in, you'll see some blocks that look like they're sideways. You'll see the holes from the block. Those are actually placeholders. Those are placeholders for the storm vents, the flood vents. So if we do have a hurricane, water gets into the lower areas, those are both garages, then it allows the seawater to go out so it doesn't build hydraulic pressure inside. So next step, waterproof the inside, backfill, and start our underground so we can do that. The space behind here, that's where the pool will go. So I'll be back in a couple of days after it's backfilled and you can start seeing it take shape.